You want to be sure that you're not wasting any of your valuable time and money while launching a business when you have a limited budget. However, a method as useful as email marketing cannot be disregarded by your business when it comes to marketing. But why should you rely on email marketing in the first place when there are so many other ways to connect with your audience? Even so, is it worth it? The clear answer is yes. In 2022, there will be likely to be 4.3 billion email subscribers worldwide. By 2025, it is expected to rise to 4.6 billion, which will account for more than half of the estimate global population. I hope these stats provide enough evidence showcasing the importance of email marketing. But how do you get better at it? The simple answer is via an email marketing course. Now you might be thinking, what is an email marketing course? And how will an email marketing course assist me in my business? Don't worry, I've got you covered. My name is Rahul Chandra, and today in this video, I'll explain you how an email marketing course can help your business. Alrighty, your consumer likely use email, and if you run a business in a developed country, therefore you should do it. No matter the size of your company, the email marketing gives you the ability to connect with the customer around the clock every day of the year. The email marketing course will equip you with the right skill set as well as make sure you have the right and the updated information when it comes to the tricks of the trade. One of the most necessary skills is building credibility. Doing business with someone you can trust is encouraged. By sending emails with the useful educational material, you may increase your trust with your audience. With an email marketing coach, you can learn how to design a newsletter that highlights your authority and establish your trust by using the appropriate template. People who read your newsletter will be able to determine that you are the right choice for their project. The course also provides a massive benefit when it comes to starting with the least inconvenience. You will get to understand and learn how to work on the tools that assist in the process of email marketing. An email marketing course teaches you how to use email marketing software like Constant Contact, which provides marketer with the tools and the instruction that they need to launch their email marketing campaigns right away. By generating leads and turning them into sales via use of targeted email campaigns, an email marketing course teaches you all you need to know to advertise your company like a pro. As email marketing campaigns are often one of the most critical modes of converting leads, it should be done keeping in mind all the smart devices. Taking advantage of the rising popularity of mobile technologies is made easier by taking an email marketing course. Two-thirds of emails are opened on mobile devices according to a research. You may take an advantage of this by understanding the proper approach for channeling email marketing campaigns across various devices. You will learn how to switch to mobile to channel email marketing campaigns that are ROI driven by taking an email marketing course. A course in email marketing that can also help you make more money with the less work. Customization is the another aspect of successful email marketing. You can customize your messages for the many audience you contact via email marketing. A course in email marketing may help you create a list of your audience and engage them with according to factors such as interest, demographics, and more. The email marketing course also aids in obtaining quick outcomes and teaches you methods that enable you to quickly achieve your goals. The most important aspect of taking an email marketing course is you will save a lot of your time. Once you complete an email marketing course covering the fundamentals, you may create a strategy to ensure that your emails are sent to your audience quickly and effectively as possible. I hope this video helps you to make your mind to enroll in an email marketing course and learn the skills you need to grow your business. If you do like to join a reliable email marketing course, you can take up the demo session provided by the expert at Digital Vidya. For more information and engaging videos around digital marketing, do subscribe to the channel. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.